In this video, I'm going to show you how to find saved passwords on any Samsung Galaxy phone. So on your phone here, go to the settings option on your phone. So once you're on the settings, scroll down and you will see general management. Tap on the general management option here. So here you will see password and autofill service or something like that. So it says autofill, so tap on it. And then here you will see the autofill service. Tap on the autofill service and here you will see all the apps and services that has password saved. So you can tap on it to view it and to see your password. So it is a way how you can find all your saved passwords. Alternatively, another way, because sometimes most of the passwords and everything will be remembered when we browse, and our browser remembers those passwords and everything, those login details especially. Okay, in that case, what we can do, go to your browser settings. So for example here, since I'm using, go to your internet settings. So go to your internet settings on your phone. So and go to in particularly the browser setting of your phone. Okay, so go to that, and then once you're on that, so what we're going to do here is scroll down and you will see this personal browsing data. Tap on the personal browsing data. So here you will see this autofill forms option here. Click on it, and then here you will see usernames and password. Tap on the usernames and password, and here you will see all your saved passwords and everything, okay, which you have saved. And these are the ways how you can find the saved passwords on any Samsung Galaxy phone.